What's up dudes, so you click on this video to understand the KineMaster basic, but if you know how to use KineMaster really well, then you might click off this video, because in this video you will learn all the basics function of KineMaster, and I'm not gonna run through every advanced feature because the video will get massive, and I will show you some really important and basics features only. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. To get started, click on the plus option, and now you will see three aspect ratio option: wide, portrait and square. For YouTube video you should choose 16.9 wide and now to select the video file, click on the media, or you can also record the new video, and by clicking on the media you will go to the access to your folders, and here you can choose your video and image folders too. As you can see, the video has been appears in the video timeline. To get into the starting point, slide to the left, or you can also do that by clicking on this option. This bottom right here is going to help you to expand the video layers, and the features on the right side is for importing the video file, audio file, and you can record your vocals, and the left side features as undo, redo, share and screenshot, and settings, expand and jump from start to end. If you pinch and zoom in the video layer, then more and more frames will start getting expanded, and this will help you to split on the right frame. This option is for getting more extra effect assist, and because you can use it as online only. Let's talk about trimming and splitting. There is two ways to cut the video. So the first is very simple, and that is just hold on the starting point and slide to the right to cut and slide to the left to expand, and the positive goes to the ending point. And since you are a genius, then you might want to learn the advanced cutting. Just click on the scissor option, and now you will see plenty of options, bro. And if you want to cut the middle of the video, then you can click on the split edge play ahead, or if you want to cut the right side only, then click on the trim to the left of play ahead, and to the right side only, then you can just click on the trim to the left of play ahead. I mean right to the right and left to the left. Sorry, I just here, but hope you get the point. But there is a problem. You must be a genius to use that. Are you a genius? Then comment me below. If you think the video clip that should be played at the end, middle or at the starting point or somewhere else that is mixed up in the wrong position, then you can fix that by just holding the clip and drag it to wherever you want. And that's also simple as man. If you are having fun watching this video, then why don't you like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. How to add audio and how to control volumes. By clicking on the audio option, you can add music and sound effects and your vocal too if you have already pre-recorded it. Now you will get access to your music. Now choose your audio file. If you want to preview the audio, then click on the play option, and to add, click on the plus button. Now you can see that on your video timeline. Hold and drag the audio layer to get it on the right position. There are features to lower down the volume, to just drag the panel as it's required and click on the right tick, and you can also mute the volume by clicking on the speaker option, and do the same to unmute the volume. And if you learn to cut the videos, then you can cut the audio file too. The process is simple. Trimming and splitting is not just one thing you can do. There is plenty of features, but I'm not gonna run through all the process cause the video will get massive. But let me give you some quick review. So this loop feature is gonna help you to loop the audio file for your entire video, and there is the information section, and this is the equalizer which will help you to boost the bass. This is the voice changer which will change the male voice into female. I'm not gonna use that, this is useless. And if you have a vocal on your video, then you might enable this feature which is talking. Okay, now teach me how to crop. So if you want to learn cropping, then keep watching this video. Cropping is easy, bro. Almost anybody can do that. You just need 2 fingers. Yes, you heard it right. Because you have to zoom in and zoom out to crop the video, and you see this equal option, just click on that and then you are done. The cropping is on. That rhymes. So next point, transaction. So you might be wondering what this white box is about. If you click on this, then you will get a lot of effects, and tell you what, these effects are terrible. This will make your video look so terrible. The only one I prefer is classic transaction, cross faded, and zoom out is must use and one of my favorite, and these are pretty good too. Color filtering and adjustment. There is 2 ways to improve the color of your videos. One of them is color filter. Just go to the color filter and there is a lot of filters, and you must be used to use it. I can use all of them because I'm rich, and if you are poor, then you can't use it. Sorry, I don't have. So yeah, I have a solution for that. Just go back and go to the color adjustment, as you can see in this. Now click on that, and now you can see 3 panels. One is for brightness, contrast, and saturation. You can control and decrease or increase contrast as you wish. So that's the color filtering. Hope you understand. Here are some video clips which I adjusted the color of. I mean, man, look at the quality. It's awesome. Voice over. Wanna record your vocal? Don't worry, just click on the voice and record your vocal without any external app. You can also see the effects or drum visualizer. I don't know what it's called because English is not my first language though. And here are some demo of what I recorded. I have to mute the audio first and the music. So okay, now here are some demo. What's up guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. How to add text, stickers, and basically what is layers. So layers will help you to draw on your video. Just click on the drawing and draw it. I know my drawings are terrible, and if you want to add text, then click on the text and then you can add whatever you want. If you want to add welcome to my YouTube channel or thanks for watching, then you can add that. Pinch and zoom to resize the text, and hold and drag to move the position, and you can also change the font of the text. If you don't know how to add custom fonts and kind of stuff, then you can watch my previous video. The video will work. This fade in and fade out animation is little bit advanced and you might get confused too. So the fade in option is the style of the text appearing, and the fade out option is used when the text disappears. So don't get confused. Fading is the style which is used while the text appears, and fade out is used while the text disappears. The trimming process is simple as I'm not gonna teach you that again, and don't tell me that you don't know it. If you don't know it, then review the video. To change the color, click on the white dot and you can choose the color, and here's the demo how the text look like. You think it's cool? Then give a like on this video. And this overlay option is for adding the stickers on the video, and the effects option is for, of course, for adding the effect. And you can add the image/video as the layer on the top of your video. If you add the video, then you will get a lot of options again, but this is just a basic tutorial, so I'm not gonna explain you all the features. And to crop the media layer, click on the crop and enable the cropping option, then you can crop the video. And you can also split only one side of the media layer. Just select one side and then you can split only one side. Exporting. Click the option on the top right corner, click on the share, and click on the save to gallery, and here you can choose the resolution of your video. And if you click on the three dot, then you will see the option to change the bitrate you will see the option to change the byte rates, and the more higher byte rates you choose, the more quality your video will be. And you can see the time that will take to export your video on this section. Well, that's it, KineMaster basic tutorial. What did you expect some more from me? My mistake? I will fix my mistake on my next video, and in my next video I will show the KineMaster advanced tutorial. So subscribe, and if you want to thanks me for this tutorial, then subscribing is the best way to thanks. And thanks for watching. Hope you learned something new in this video. Jai Nepal, and I'm not Indian, okay?